The farm that I visited today really highlighted how important it is to get good advice before you start to do any upgrades. The upgrades that have occurred weren't thought through as far as what the crop water requirements might be. The problem is that you're buying for this big motor, you've got to pay a lot of capital upfront cost for the variable speed for that size motor.
Yeah.
So the return on investment, even if it can do it hydraulically by running that pump, say at half speed, the return on investment will be longer because the variable speed drive for this size motor is going to be double the price of the one that we need for a smaller one. Yeah. And what some of the energy inputs would be for the soil type and also for the energy consumption for the return in yield. There's also some other things that hydraulically are poor as far as the pump efficiency goes, and that's more to do with the pipework setup, and also the fact that we've got dirty water in most cases because this system's on the end of a line, and the type of irrigation that we're using is drip irrigation, solid set, and occasionally overhead irrigation to pre-water the ground. One of the things with the having that many different types of systems is to find a pump that will actually do each of those jobs and operate at best efficiency point, which is going to become more important as our power prices increase. The crop can only utilise about 75% of that water that is applied, whereas the trickle system will be about 95% of the water that's applied. So it makes sense to develop more of the trickle system where possible and only use the overhead system just to pre-water the ground. This showed the importance of getting good advice at the start because the second-hand electric motor that was going to be used was really inappropriate for the job that it had to do. So hopefully we've been able to help out with our advice at this later stage to make sure that there's no reoccurrence of putting too big a pump for the job and operating at poor efficiency. So this is an ongoing farm where the farmer is fairly keen to adopt some changes. So we'll be able to look at this in 12 months' time and just see what sort of results that the farmer has got from the suggested changes.